현철 씨 and this is kangaroo. My question is 누가 한국 사람이에요? 누가 한국 사람이에요? Welcome back, Kim Sam here, and this is Teacher Kim's Korean class, bringing you informative Korean lessons twice a week. If you're new here, consider subscribing. You'll get massive value from my YouTube channel. And I'm so excited we are in a basic Korean grammar curriculum. In this curriculum, I've been covering 25 essential grammar expressions. I already covered a few basic grammars, and this is lesson 7. In the lesson 7 and 8, I'm gonna be teaching you one of the most important grammar, subject particle 이 and 가. In this video, we are going to learn the basic concept of the subject particle and some usages and how to make the negative sentence using subject particle 이 and 가. Let's dive into it right now. Subject particle 이 and 가 attached to a noun, and this particle make the preceding noun the subject of the sentence. The rules of 이 and 가, they are exactly the same. We use 이 after consonant ending noun, and after vowel ending noun, we attach 가. For example, the word 동생, which means younger sibling, it ends with vowel consonant 이응, 응 sound, so we put 이 rather than 가. 동생이. And another word 친구, which means friend, the word 친구 ends with vowel 우, so we put 가 rather than 이. 친구가. 동생이 친구가. Right? So can you put the subject particle to these words? 엄마 가, 선생님 이, 요리사 가, and 한국 사람 이. 엄마가, 선생님이, 요리사가, 한국 사람이. But there are some irregular pronouns in the Korean language. Not many, I'll put them in the description below. And I just want to introduce two irregular pronouns in this video. They are 저, which means I, and 누구, which means who. When the subject particle meet 저 and 누구, we don't say 저가 or 누구가. They are irregular. We say 제가, 누가. 제가, I, 누가, who. Here, chef. He's cooking now. 요리해요, doing cook. And if I put the pronoun 누가, which means who, before 요리해요, it becomes question sentence. 누가 요리해요? 누가 요리해요? Who is cooking? The question sentence wants to know who, 누가, and you can see the subject particle 가 here, 누가. So when you answer to this question, we also use 이 or 가 in the sentence. 요리사가 요리해요. The chef is cooking. Okay, next. Answer to me, I think it is easy question. Here is 현철 씨, Mr. 현철, and this is kangaroo. My question is 누가 한국 사람이에요? Who is a Korean? I believe nobody say kangaroo is Korean. You know, there is no kangaroo in Korea. Kangaroo is from Australia. 누가 한국 사람이에요? Who? So we also answer to the question using subject particle. 현철 씨가 한국 사람이에요. 현철 씨가 한국 사람이에요. Mr. 현철 is Korean. Do you remember this sentence? 아빠는 시장에 가요. Daddy goes to the grocery market. But what if I ask 누가 시장에 가요? The sentence asks 누가, who is the one, dad or mom? So when you answer to the question that has 누가, who, we don't say 아빠는, but 아빠가 시장에 가요. Daddy goes to the grocery market. Here's the point. When we want to talk about who is the one, we use subject particle 이 or 가. That is the basic concept of subject particle. You know, the topic marker 은 and 는 indicates the preceding noun is the topic of the sentence. Like 아빠는 시장에 가요. As for dad, he goes to the grocery market. But if you want to say who is the one, we use subject particle. 아빠가 시장에 가요. That is the one who goes to the grocery market, right? That is the basic difference between topic marker 은, 는 and the subject particle 이, 가. Do you understand? And when you want to use polite expression, we use another subject particle 깨서 rather than 이가. It doesn't matter if the preceding noun ends with vowel or consonant. You can just put 깨서. Okay, so answer to me. 누가 가르쳐요? Who is teaching? 네, 선생님께서 가르쳐요. Yes, the teacher is teaching. And 누가 주무세요? Who is sleeping? 네, 할아버지께서 주무세요. Grandfather is sleeping. Okay, we will learn one more thing in this video. If you want to make a negative sentence of 이에요 and 예요, we use subject particle 이오가 with 아니에요. something이 아니에요. 가 아니에요. 김치예요? 네, 김치예요. And what if I show you this picture and ask you that 김치예요? Oh, it is not kimchi. 김치가 아니에요. This is not kimchi. Just remove 예요 from the sentence and put 가 아니에요. 김치가 아니에요. 책이에요? Is this book? 네, 책이에요. But what if I show you this picture? 책이에요? It doesn't look like a book. So you can answer to me. Remove 이에요 from the sentence and put 이 아니에요. 책이 아니에요. This is not a book. 현철 씨는 일본 사람이에요? As you know, I'm Korean, so I have to answer to them I'm not Japanese. And the question sentence already had a topic marker 는. Even if it is a bit longer sentence, don't be afraid. Just remove 이에요 and put 이 아니에요. 현철 씨는 일본 사람이 아니에요. And if it is my answer, I have to say I rather than 현철 씨. 저는 일본 사람이 아니에요. 일본 사람이 아니에요. Who is this sentence talking about? Yes, 저. So 저는 일본 사람이 아니에요. As for me, I am not Japanese. Okay, we have been learning subject particle 이 and 가. The part 1 is finished now. In the next video, we are gonna continue to learn the subject particle 이 and 가 and more usages, more meaning, and more expression with 이 and 가. I will see you in the next video. 안녕!